In this video, we will discuss Amazon FBA explained for beginners on how it works and how it can help you earn more money. Are you familiar with Amazon FBA's structure? What distinguishes a dropshipment from it? What happens to the items? This video will teach you all you need to know. Hello everyone, welcome to Wealthy Wisdom. In this video, we're going to talk about Amazon FBA explained for beginners. If you are new to this channel, do like and subscribe to the channel. Is it possible to sell on Amazon from any country? This question has left a lot of people scratching their heads. Since the answer to this question is absolutely certainly you can, you are free to sell on Amazon from any location in the globe. Amazon has individual markets for a number of countries, including United States of America, Canada, India, and United Kingdom, amongst others. However, due to the fact that Amazon USA is the largest online marketplace as well as the one with the greatest potential and possibilities, it is one that gets the most recommendation. If you reside in Romania, the Philippines, Canada, Brazil, Mexico, or any place else on earth, the answer to the question of whether or not you may sell on Amazon is still yes. This holds true regardless of where you call home. Assume you want to make a livelihood from Amazon. Let's go over this fast. Dropshipment is not available via Amazon FBA. Amazon FBA is the use of a private label. So what exactly is private labeling? Private labeling occurs when a supplier or manufacturer makes items that are completely marketed, packaged, and sold by a third party. In other words, the first firm profits by selling its goods to the third party. The third party profits from selling to consumers. In essence, private labeling is when we slap our brand and logo on a product and claim ownership of it. Amazon FBA explained for beginners. The first process is to find a successful product. What exactly is a profitable product? A product is considered to be profitable if its sales income surpasses its production, marketing, and customer service cost. Profit is also known as the bottom line in business. Amazon can help you find profitable and in-demand products. You should realize that there is a steady market for it. You are aware that the product generates revenue. That is the first step we want to take. We need to find a profitable item on Amazon. Okay, we employ product research methods to find profitable products. What tools are employed in the product research process? The purpose of a product research tool is, of course, to determine which items are popular with clients and to supply you with the information you need to decide whether or not to sell such things. There are various tools accessible for doing product research, including ZonGuru, AMZ Base, and Unicorn Smasher. However, one of the most well-known is Jungle Scout. I am certain that you are acquainted with it. If you're just starting out as an Amazon FBA seller, chances are you already have it. There are certainly several tools available for conducting product research. However, in my opinion, Jungle Scout is the most effective. So after we've identified a profitable product, the next step is to find a supplier so that our company may purchase it in volume. Assume that our product is a light bulb. We'll reach out to the suppliers. We often utilize the website Alibaba. I'm sure you've all heard of it. We're seeking a company that can make lucrative products we've developed lately. When we find a vendor that can create our things, I usually recommend beginning with 250 to 300 pieces. We then send the goods directly to an Amazon fulfillment center. After we have delivered our products to an Amazon fulfillment center, Amazon will pack, package, and ship them on our behalf. We shall not be held liable for any of these measures. This means that we never need to view or touch the items that we have placed for sale on Amazon. We will obtain a sample of one of our items to test for its quality. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Let's continue to tackle Amazon FBA Explained for Beginners. Will they bring the item to my residence if I order them? Questions such as, where does all the things go, are example of questions that are asked regularly. As a consequence of these, after we've decided on a provider with whom we can strike a deal, we send our products to an Amazon fulfillment center. There, Amazon fulfills, packs, and distributes all of our orders on our behalf in order to maximize efficiency. You are free to relax and monitor the process of the money while they take care of the shipment of the items and the inventory, while all you have to do is watch. Let us go through this again. The first stage in the FBA earning process is to find a lucrative product on Amazon, sometimes known as a viable product. Then, we hunt for a wholesaler or supplier that will enable us to buy our items in bulk at a reduced price. And lastly, we send the parcels to an Amazon fulfillment center. When the products arrive at the Amazon fulfillment center, Amazon begins packing, finishing, and shipping all of our orders. At that moment, Amazon starts assembling, finishing, and delivering each of our orders. We receive both cash and profits from the product. I hope this clarifies things. So what is the significance of this? Amazon FBA is so effective since you don't have to test anything because the product is already viable and profitable, as opposed to drop shipping, which requires you to spend money and, get lucky and identify a niche that is doing well. You don't have to worry about testing or bringing people to your business since Amazon already has all of the traffic. All we really have to do is sell in their marketplace. You don't have to worry about promoting your items on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok since you won't need to. There is a possibility that any of those things may develop into a problem that requires our attention. Regarding the traffic, there is no need for us to be concerned at this point. All that is required of us is to look for items that have a good chance of being successful. Then, to furnish Amazon with information about those goods. And finally, to begin selling those products on Amazon. I really hope that you now understand what Amazon FBA stands for. If you are just starting, I feel the following answer will be of great assistance to you because I am aware that many individuals regularly have queries about this problem. Anyone on Amazon is free to sell whatever they want to anyone else. Amazon is a platform you should use if you are completely inexperienced but are interested in beginning an online business. You shouldn't be concerned about the amount of traffic your advertising gets. You won't need to be concerned with things like attempting to run advertisements on Facebook or other similar endeavors. To get started making money via Amazon, all you have to do is to choose a product, apply the ideas that I just showed you, improve it, get it saved, create a listing for it, and then start selling. We've reached the end of another video, and thank you for watching. I hope you have learned the Amazon FBA Explained for Beginners. If you like this video, do give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below. Thank you and goodbye!